If you think bias in technology isn't impacting you, think again. My team and I have been thoroughly testing how speakers, experts, and thought leaders surface when we search across AI tools, platforms, and media channels. And the pattern is clear. Women are far less visible, far less discoverable, and they are busy disappearing. Globally, women make up only 30 to 33% of the conference speakers. And we've been talking about this for a long time. The numbers haven't changed much. Recent research recently found that roughly 64% of guests are men on a podcast. Men create podcasts at almost twice the rate than women, yet women who start podcasts have far better retention rates than male hosts. So in news media, women experts are quoted significantly less often, and at senior editorial levels, the people who decide whose voices get amplified, women represent only about a quarter of decision makers. Women only make up 26% of news sources across TV, radio, and print, and not much has changed in the past 15 years. 70% of global employers are using AI in recruitment. Over 90% of employers are estimated to use automated systems to filter and rank jobs. So what does this mean for you? Let me tell you why this is a problem. Researchers at Stanford and collaborators analyzed how large language models like ChatGPT handle gender and age. So they asked AI to create thousands of male and female CVs across many occupations with distinct male and female names to make the qualifications identical. When generating the CVs, what happened is that the female profiles were created to be younger and far less experienced. It rated older male applicants more highly than female applicants, and so this is another barrier. As you try and advance your career, this is going to matter because AI doesn't invent authority. It amplifies what already exists, and then it adds a good measure of bias. And then we need to become far more smarter around how we build our personal brands and how do we overcome these hurdles as much as we can. Because when women are less visible today, that could be either out of choice or you are deliberately building a brand. The reality is that women are being penalized by biases. And so we have to find a way that we can make sure that you're discoverable. But lucky for you, I have so much experience in this domain. I've been working on this with global brands for such a long time and helping them with their brand discoverability and also the hacks and tricks on how to work with AI in order to make your personal brand more discoverable. But there's more to it. You see, we are conscious leaders, right? And conscious leaders build brands differently. We're also moving into an age where it is all about you becoming the business and building a community around you. So if this sounds like something that you want to do, click on the link below, download the brochure, and really, I just want to say you're going to have a joy because we have built such a special bond, and we look forward to welcoming cohort 2, which will start in March. Thank you.